And in fairness, even the other supplements are good. So, yun siguro ang ma-share ko, yung confidence na mag-share hang kayo agbain nga agi-share. Because I also heard from my relatives who have been using this that it is good for them. Baka yun lang. Sa business side, tama si ma'am, you have to work for it. So, rad member ka, no, mo nga i-share, hanggang doon ka na lang. So, actually, ang advantage kasi sa aming mga doktor na i-reseta namin, yun ang sinasabi niya. Pero by sharing it, I think that's the best way to use it first, and it's easy to share. Pag hindi mo naman ginagamit, mo impadas, kasi ano nga may ibagang namayat. So, siguro on my part, magandang experience ko sa yung trio actually. Yung trio and yung Fernflex, may nagsabi din, yung Rayuma. Pero sa beauty products, hindi naman tayo masyadong mahilig, no? Magaganda na tayo. Pero, yun.
Yun. Thank you, Doc Judy. Ayan, palapakan naman natin.